Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw a realistic thing with oil pastels. This is my first attempt to draw something realistic with oil pastels. So this video is kinda be an experimental and a fun thing. Let's get started friends. Friends, actually in one of my recent videos I have got a comment to draw something with oil pastels, and here's the video for that friends. Friends, since I have started to draw, I'm not a big fan of oil pastels, but I'm a very big fan for crayons and I have done several realistic artworks with crayons, but not even a single thing with oil pastels. Couple of years back I have drawn some of natural and other things with oil pastels, but I have never tried out a realistic thing with that. So I just want to give it a try. And here's the try and hope you like it. Still it's going well and I think it will be good. It will not be the best and it will not bad. I'll assure it will be good. Hope you will be thinking the same. Friends, as I said, I'm not a big fan of oil pastels. I don't know why. I have done several artworks with crayons, even realistic ones, but not even a single one with oil pastels. I don't think it is good at beginning, but it is very good to do realistic artworks with oil pastels because you can have fun with it and you can even do great artworks with it. There is no doubt in it. And friends, in this video I have tried out something new because usually my videos will be plain, not that much entertaining, even though it have a useful content in it, and I just want to kick it up a bit and I tried out something like that. So hope you like it my friends. Friends, you could see an oil pastels pack set of 25 in the beginning in the b-rolls. Hope that is one of the best pack I have ever seen because it have 25 colors. It is a very sweet spot for every beginner, even though professionals. You can blend up colors and bring new colors with that, so don't worry about it. If you are going to buy something, buy an oil pastel pack, it will be great. I linked it down below and you can find each and every product I'm using down below. It will be linked to Amazon, so you can use that link. Friends, this is the completed drawing. Hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video.